Welcome to our detailed comparison of two leading performance tires in the market, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Today, we'll delve into their performances based on rigorous testing, helping you decide which tire might be the best fit for your sporty ride. Let's get rolling! In dry conditions, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S excels in braking, stopping 1.7 meters shorter than the Potenza Sport. However, in handling, the Potenza Sport narrowly outperforms by 0.13 seconds, showcasing its agility on the track. Wet conditions reveal a more complex battle. While both tires are closely matched in braking, the Potenza Sport significantly leads in handling, besting the Pilot Sport 4S by 2.5 seconds. However, Michelin gains the upper hand in aquaplaning resistance, both in straight and curved scenarios. Noise and comfort are crucial for everyday driving. The Pilot Sport 4S takes the lead in comfort with a higher subjective score and is also quieter by 1.4 decibel, enhancing the driving experience with less road noise and greater comfort. With sustainability in focus, rolling resistance is a key factor. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S shows a 14% better performance in this category, pointing towards better fuel efficiency and a smaller environmental impact. In conclusion, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S emerges as a superior tire in most categories, offering enhanced safety in dry and wet conditions, better comfort, and efficiency. While Bridgestone's Potenza Sport shows strong handling capabilities, Michelin's comprehensive advantages make it a worthwhile consideration for those seeking top-tier performance and sustainability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.